What's up everybody, Bo is here. Welcome back to channel. Today I'm going to work on this van here. We are going to install the FVC Flatline VanCo roof rack. This is the 170 wheelbase standard roof rack. So it's gonna look like this one here. This roof rack is simple, very simple to assemble and to install, and it's also good if you are planning to put an awning. This one, the side stands straight up, and it has more footprint on the top for you to install the solar panels and stuff on the top. On the side, there's an awning. Yama awning F45S that is designed for this, and it just mounts straight onto the roof rack. So if you haven't seen the installation on this yet, or if you're looking for an instruction on how to install it, maybe this will be helpful for you. So let's go ahead and get started. The whole kit comes with three packages. Number one is for the front flare. That's basically a lot of the just the stuff for the front flare. Number two is the crossbars. I think it comes with this 7 of these crossbars. These are 1 by 1.5 inch extrusions, basically. And then the third one are the sides. These are the sides, and they're designed to mount screws straight onto your roof rail right here. Okay, and in there are two type of boxes of hardware, the A and the B. Okay. The A has these T-nuts that slides, okay, T-nuts like this that slide straight into your roof rails, and then this plate like this. Okay, these are used to connect your sides here. They're used to connect these A, B, and C. You can see pre-drill holes in here. That's what the plates are for. Okay, and then the A hardware box basically is all the screws and nuts that you'll need. Okay. These are the bigger screws that are used to attach the sides here to your roof rails with that T-nut. Okay. First, you're gonna lay out the sides first. There are 3 pieces to each side. So this is the driver's side. Okay. The first longest layer, how you can tell the front is the one that has that pointy, that sharp point right here. This is the front side, okay, and the driver's side, because you're gonna face it this way, the curve facing inside, and this is where it's gonna sit on the roof rail. Okay, so that is the first. The middle one for the driver's side is the short one that has the notch right here, the cut. Okay, this is designed for if you are going to install the side ladder, the side step ladder. It's gonna mount right underneath here. But also, if you decide not to have the ladder, they always also come with a filler piece that covers this whole thing, and it has 2 extra screw holes in this side. And then your third piece which is the next longer one. And for the driver side, you can tell by the logo. Okay, they have the FVC logo. This is for the driver side rear panel. For the other side, the same thing. You have the front, the middle, short one, and the longer one. Now we're going to insert the T-nuts. For the passenger side, you will need 9. For the driver side, you will need 11, because the 2 extra for the side ladder. So let's go ahead and insert that through. Just insert it through here. Just count 11. This is the piece to fill this gap right here. If you are not using the side step ladder, so I'm going to install that right now. For these connecting plates right here, okay, we are going to use these. It's a 1 inch. This is the black color one with the kit and the nylon washer. Okay, there are also 16 of these silver shorter kind of screws, and the washers right here. These are going to be for the flare in the front. Okay, now we have all the sides up, but it's gonna stay loose because it's just a hand tight, not even tight. Just put the screws in first. Okay, you're gonna do a lot of adjustments later, sliding. Now we are going to assemble the flare for the front. The flare, first you'll find this piece right here. This is aluminum piece with a lot of holes. I don't know what they call this part. And you will find these two, okay, these two which are for the sides. And you will find this big plastic, which is I think that's the flare itself, the one that blocks the wind. Okay, it will take 6 screws. There's 6 holes on here. So you are going to screw from this side. See, this is the front. Okay, it's going to be the front. So you're going to go ahead and pre-assemble the T-nut. Okay, just in a couple of turns, enough to let it so it stays. Do that to all 6 holes. Let me show you the way. Oops. Alright, this is the T-nuts. Okay, the smooth side and this side. So the smooth side is what you want to insert first. My bad, I forgot the washer. Washers, screws, and the T-nut. Okay. all 6 screws are in, you can see right there. Okay, now I'm going to take this and insert it through the channel, slide through all the way exactly at each end. Okay, now you can go ahead and tighten that with the Allen wrench that they supply right here with the kit. Tie it. Oh, I forgot. Hey, parrots. Okay. Forgot these 2 in the middle. Not yet. You can tighten the sides, the ones on the sides. Okay. I'll tell you why. So the ones on the side, go ahead and tighten them. Okay, now the 2 in the middle. Okay, guys. See this bracket right here? That's for the support for the plastic. So that's where the 2 screws in the middle will be screwed to. Okay, so if you look at this way, this is your front. Okay, that bracket okay, so it should look like this, and that curve right there should align with this. Oh, okay, should look like that, and this curve right here should align with this. That's where this plastic is going to be mounted to. Alright, so I'm going to need a put it on the ground or get a platform, nice platform to do this. So I tighten all the screws. Okay, all the nuts on the side, you can see should look like that. And then I did one side of the side support here. You can look at that. That's how it should go. Okay, now I'm gonna do one more side, which is this side. Okay, after this, one more piece for that, which is the rubber here. This is going to be protecting or for the lip right here. Okay, it's like the edging with the it looks like a weather seal here. That's so that this flare here sit tight against the car roof to block the wind. Okay, so it doesn't make any noise. So you just insert that. Okay, this is the complete assembly of the flare. Okay, done. Okay, it should look like that. Right, with the rubber seal right here. Okay, and the inside. It looks okay. Now we're gonna go up there and screw each end. Okay, this to the rack, and this also to the rack. And yeah, I'm gonna show you how it's done. Looking from the top, this is how it's supposed to go. Okay, so these, okay, will align with these two holes right there, and then on the side, look on the side, it will align with these two holes. Okay, so it should go from the, this should go from inside. Okay, see a little notch right here, that should sit from inside of this bracket here, and then screw from inside. And the screw you are using are these are the 1 inch. Okay, that's why you don't tighten these racks yet. Alright, pretty much done with the rack. Now we want to look at inside there. Make sure you pull this back. Okay, pull it back to make sure that you don't have any gap inside there. So you want to pull it back until it's tight enough, like so. Okay. Like that. Let's see if we can focus. Yep. So that there's no air coming through there, and when you drive you don't hear any wind. Okay, as far as the back, there should be another piece that goes across the back from this side to that side. You see where the holes are, and that big piece, it's a super strong piece, okay, for this rack. In my case, we're not gonna use that one. It's because we are going to run the wire through here inside the van, and if you have that piece, it's gonna go over that, so you cannot run the wire through there. So what I'm gonna do is use the one of the crossbars only, which are for these two holes. Okay, just the crossbar is strong enough. And for right now, since we don't have the solar panel, we're just gonna hand tight, put the crossbars, and we're not gonna tighten it until we get the solar panel. That's it, you guys. This is how you install the standard roof rack for the Flatline VanCo. Pretty simple. And as far as the crossbars, you can install anywhere in between. Depends on, you know, if you put the solar panel, the space, the size to fit the size of the solar panel. So that's kind of custom, whatever the size you have, and pretty much it. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helps if you haven't installed one, or you just need, instead of reading the paper instructions, hope this gives you a good info, and good luck installing one. Thank you for watching. Bye.